Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Space channel and I'm Laika. Get ready to test your observation skills with this fun and challenging quiz. Today is Nature Edition with 50 puzzles. If you are ready, like, subscribe, share with your friends, and let's get started. Which green apple does not look like the others? You found the emoji that does not look like the others. Can you find the odd parrot in this list? The odd parrot in this list is in row 3. The real observation challenge. Let's find the tulip. Oh wow, your eyes are so good! Which tulip is the odd one in this grid? You've nailed it! Can you find the unique rose in the grid? The unique rose is placed here. Would you rather have a bouquet of tulips or roses for a wedding? I love both. What about you? Like the video if you love tulips and press the subscribe button if you prefer roses. Drop name of the flower you know if you love both. Look carefully. Which cactus doesn't match? The cactus that doesn't match is in row 4. Which one sticks out? The odd bamboo is located here. Can you spot the distinct panda here? Well done! You found the odd one out. Do you know what the hidden fruit is? That's a banana. Can you locate the banana emoji that stands apart? You got it! Which monkey seems out of place here? The emoji that doesn't match is in row 3. Let's test your photographic memory. Which emoji has changed? It's hard, and Laika needs your help. Please drop the answer so Laika can pass this question. Can you point out the position of the odd owl? Well done! Spot the mismatched bear emoji in this group. You've nailed it! Which bee is the odd one in this table? You spotted the odd one in this table. Try to find the mango among these bees and honeycombs. Nice job! Can you see the odd mango? The odd mango is placed in row 6. Which pineapple is the odd one out? Correct. The odd pineapple is here. Can you find the odd one in this group? You got it! Can you guess the hidden animal? It's a jellyfish. Which jellyfish doesn't fit with the rest? Nice work! The odd emoji is placed in the second row. Can you name this animal by these emojis? Lobster. Can you detect the odd lobster among these? The odd one is in the fourth row. Which one sticks out? The odd seahorse is located here. all emojis. Which emoji has changed? It's the pineapple under number 1. Can you pick the one maple leaf that's not like the others? The only different one is in column 4. Something in this list is out of place. There it is! There's a pelican hiding here. Can you find it? You have a keen eye. Can you see the odd pelican? The odd pelican is placed in row 6. Which clownfish doesn't fit with the rest? The odd one is right here. Now try to find the odd whale emoji. Spotted! Guess the hidden object in this image. It's a rocket. Next question. Which rocket isn't part of the group? You got it! This one is out of order. Spot the odd Saturn emoji before time runs out. Here it is! Amazing! Which one is the odd one in this grid? You got it! The moon is the different emoji. Now find the odd UFO emoji. You got it! This one is shaped differently than the others. Which animal is shown by these emojis? Elephant. Can you see the odd elephant? This emoji is different from the rest. Which dinosaur emoji is the only one that doesn't match? Spot the mismatched odd emoji in this group. You've nailed it! Find the emoji that has changed. Twice correct. It's the UFO under number 2. Now try to find the odd peach emoji. This one looks just a bit different. Which emoji doesn't belong? That dog doesn't belong in column 3. One of these emojis is different. Can you spot it? Time's up. The dog is the odd one out. Try to find the sun hiding among these peaches and cats. Nice job! Something in this list is out of place. There it is! Look closely. Which sun sticks out? The odd one is located here. Can you find the emoji that's different? The different emoji is in column 5. How many levels did you pass? Comment below and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun challenges. See you in the next quiz!